The Windows 11 allows you to turn your computer into a Wi-Fi hotspot. And with this, you can broadcast your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cellular data connection to allow other devices to connect to it. And if you would like to do this, then follow these steps we have for you in this short video tutorial. Now for the first step, you have to turn it on by opening Settings, select Network and Internet, click or touch the toggle switch in the box that says Mobile Hotspot. Then once turned on, select Properties to expand the network information. Now for the next part, configure the mobile hotspot by opening Settings again, go to Network and Internet, click on Mobile Hotspot, and you can now select Share My Internet Connection from drop-down box to change if the connection is shared via Ethernet or wired internet, Wi-Fi, or a cellular connection. You can also select Share Over drop-down box to decide how you want to share the internet connection. You can share the connection over Wi-Fi or over Bluetooth. You may also decide if you want power saving on. Moreover, you can select Properties to expand the network information, click Edit, and this will bring up a dialog box that lets you edit the network name, password, and band. Then once done, you just have to click Save once you have configured the network settings. Now that's how you can create a hotspot in Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.